how to cancel membership in your Netflix account on your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Netflix application. Here in your Netflix homepage, you need to select the profile you want to use. So for example, I use Richard profile. Here in Richard profile homepage, go to my Netflix on the lower right side on your screen. And after that, go to 3 line on the upper right side on your screen. Tap the 3 line and the pop-up below are show. Here in pop-up, go to account. In account and membership in billings section, you can see here the cancel membership. So if you want to cancel your membership, okay, tap the cancel membership button here. And there are 3 options. The first option is cancel. So lose personalized recommendation. So the second is post for a month. Keep your profile and preference. So the third is change plan. So if you want to change the plan, you can click this. But if you want to cancel the membership on your account, okay, tap the cancel button to cancel this membership. And that's it. Okay, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.